Growing coriander at home is the best way to have ready access to this fresh aromatic herb. Start growing coriander once all the dangers of frost are past. You can grow coriander successively from spring to fall. In warm temperatures and hotter regions you can grow coriander in winters too. Coriander can tolerate light frost easily. Plant coriander in full sun, it will tolerate light shade. Coriander grows best in well-drained but moisture-retentive soil rich in organic matter. Prepare planting beds in advance with well-aged compost. Sow the seeds at a depth approximately 3 times the diameter of the seed. Coriander is best planted at soil temperatures between 10 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius. Keep the soil moist until the seedlings germinate. Plant every 2 to 3 weeks for a continuous supply of coriander. For a flavorsome and lush, leafy coriander crop, follow the following simple steps as you plant the herb.